In this video, I'll be going over an exciting new addition to the Club Caddie platform and those golf courses using our custom mobile app, and that's the App Builder. With the App Builder, it allows you to set up your custom mobile app with the modules that fits your players' needs, as well as allows you to make adjustments to the modules that appear in your app, curating the desired experience that you want your players to have. Now you'll notice here what we currently have featured in this particular app. Now if we switch over into Club Caddie, we're going to go ahead and add a few other modules to this particular app. How do you do this? We're going to start by going into the settings. So we'll go right into the top right hand corner, click on the settings tab. From there, we'll go into our settings screen and we'll be able to see all of the various modules here on the left hand side. We're going to cursor all the way down to where we see mobile app. We'll click then onto mobile app and we'll now see that we're into the mobile app builder. There's a few different columns here listed. We'll first see the identifiers column, then the title that is going to be given to those specific identifiers that will appear in the mobile app as well too. We'll see that in this case they're all similar, but we can certainly customize those. We'll also then see the display order. This means what will appear from top to bottom within the mobile app. If we need to add any sort of custom links or URLs, we can certainly do so here. If we need to edit or delete any of these particular modules, we certainly can do so here as well too. Now we're going to go ahead and actually add a few different modules to the mobile app. So we'll start by clicking on the add button. We'll have this pop-up appear. We'll be able to then choose the identifier, give our own title to that particular module, as well as the display order. So we'll then start by choosing my reservations. So we'll see we have a reservation tee times. This is where players can book a reservation. We want to call it book a tee time as it will appear in the app. So we'll type that in. We want it to be at the top of the app, so we're going to put the display order as number 1 and click on save. And now you'll see here within the app builder that new module has now been added to the app and the display order. We're also going to go ahead now as well too and add another one. So we'll then choose the identifier here as well too. So in this case, it is my tee times that will appear as the identifier. We're going to change that name as well too. In this case, on the app, it's going to appear as my reservations. And then the display order will be under the previous one, so it will display as number 2. So we can see we have the new ones for book a tee time and my reservations that will be featured 1 and 2 on the app. Now, if we switch over back onto the mobile app and we go into it and take a look, we'll now see along the top, we'll have those 2 new modules that have been now added to the app. We'll see we have a book a tee time and my reservation. And this will be what your players see, and allowing them to make a reservation as well as to see any reservations that they previously have made as well too. So as you can see, the mobile app builder empowers you to choose the modules that appear in the app and lets your players get the most out of their mobile experience.